Tesla Giga Shanghai is seeing a mysterious expansion beyond the Model Y facility. The pace of Gigafactory Shanghai's construction has reached a point where it is now normal to see massive buildings being built from the ground up in but a few months. Over the past few months, all eyes were focused on the site's Phase 2A zone, which happens to be the upcoming Tesla Model Y factory. Recently, flyovers of the Gigafactory Shanghai complex showed that the construction activities in the area are now going far beyond the Model Y plant. What is Tesla building in Giga Shanghai? Could it be that Tesla is expanding Giga Shanghai beyond the Model Y facility to build own batteries and even a Cybertruck in light of growing pickup truck popularity in China and loosening of restrictions? Welcome back, dear friends. This is Armen Harian from torquenews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and to show your appreciation of all the people who send me these reports and who help me to bring it to you. And by the way, if you are a rider and would like to send me a report that you wrote about Tesla or a Tesla development, feel free to email me. I will look forward to do that and will definitely give you credit when I report on that. So what happened is this. As could be seen in a recent video posted by Tesla enthusiast and drone operator Jason Young, the Model Y factory in Gigafactory Shanghai is quickly coming to form. The massive facility, which looks very similar to the Model 3 factory constructed a year prior, is now getting its floors paved with concrete. The facility's roofing is also being refined and some walls are now being put up. This is impressive in its own right, and it hints at the possibility of Model Y's initial trial production runs being held sooner than later. I think several months ago I had a report that there was one advertisement in China, not apparently from Tesla but looked very professional, that said that Model Y may even roll off the assembly line this fall. I don't know, but things were going that far, so it may be sooner rather than later. When the pace of the factory's construction in mind, it would not be surprising if with the pace of the factory's construction in mind, it would not be surprising if trial production runs of the all-electric crossover are held sometimes within this year. Tesla seems to be following this time frame somewhat, with the company noting that Model Y deliveries to local consumers could start in 2021. But another story is forming right beside Tesla's expansive Model Y factory in China. A look at the drone footage of the Gigafactory Shanghai complex reveals that the Model Y facility is only one of several buildings that are being constructed rapidly by Tesla. Granted, the all-electric crossovers production plant seems to be progressing a bit faster, but the other buildings beside it are pretty much catching up. What is interesting is that Tesla has so far been very quiet about the nature of these upcoming structures. Back in the days of the Phase 1 zone's construction, it was evident that Tesla was building three primary structures: a Model 3 factory, a battery pack assembly building, and a substation. The purpose of the other buildings in the Phase 2 zone, apart from the Model Y factory itself, has remained rather mysterious to date. And this gives people different ideas. What can this be? Things become even more interesting when one looks at the plant that Tesla shared for plans that Tesla shared for the company Gigafactory Shanghai complex. As of late last year, Tesla China's plans show four major structures that would comprise the completed Gigafactory. Interestingly enough, the new structures beside the Model Y factory seem to be absent in the plans that the company has shared to date. The purpose of Gigafactory Shanghai's new buildings remain unknown for now, though it would definitely be interesting to see exactly what the new structures would be once they are finished. This is especially notable considering that the site already has a battery pack and powertrain assembly facility and power station. Perhaps the new buildings will be used for administrative purposes, or perhaps they will be used for storing completed cars, or maybe even the assembly of energy products? Time will tell. What do you think about this? So what do you think Tesla is going to build in these new buildings? Maybe Semi? Maybe Model C? Maybe made in China Model S or Model X? Or maybe Tesla is planning to build the Cybertruck for the Giga Shanghai too? I don't know. Let's talk about the Cybertruck. Autonews.com on April 25 of this year, of 2020, has published a story that US car manufacturers eye China's increasingly popular pickup truck market. The article says growing popularity of pickups in China could signal an opportunity for US auto manufacturers to enter China's pickup truck market because more people are buying pickup trucks, and as cities gradually loosen restrictions, more people drive the trucks in Chinese cities. Could this be that Tesla, also being a US car manufacturer, is also eyeing the Chinese pickup truck market, since now Tesla has already very popular Cybertruck? Now, Abacus in November 2019 published a story saying Tesla Cybertruck is hailed by some in China as country embraces pickup trucks. Pickup trucks are rising in popularity in China as regulations are relaxed. Let me tell you a little how the general feeling in China is, or were at the opening, at the start, at the revealing of the pickup truck, of the Cybertruck, and how they are in general. According to Abacus.com, many Chinese netizens still love Tesla and its CEO Elon Musk, but Tesla's newly announced Cybertruck has proven divisive on China's internet. Some people remember, but it was divisive in the United States then too. But then the Cybertruck gradually grew on people, including myself. It grew on me. So some people are excited about soon being able to drive the company's electric pickup truck in China, which is already accepting pre-orders in China. Here's a quote. "I've only seen this in Death Race and Mad Max," one Weibo user said. "This is so cool. When I think that I could drive this thing to and from work before I'm 40 years old, I look forward to the year 2030, a user on Q&A site Jihu wrote. But what some people see as sleek and futuristic electric truck, others see as crude and ugly. Many people did that in the United States and probably in Europe too. So this is not news. But then netizens were joking that the pickup truck looks like something made by Geng Shuai, a welder from a village near Beijing who has attracted a large following on short video app Guaishu with quirky inventors like a smartphone case that doubles as a meat cleaver and a toilet built in a scooter. Is this a partnership between Tesla and Geng? One of Weibo user asked, with many similar comments appearing under other posts about Cybertruck. Suddenly I feel like I could design a car, another person said. Others were pointing out the most embarrassing part of the truck's launch. When trying to demonstrate the strength of the vehicle's armor glass windows, they cracked. Under Elon Musk's Weibo post about the truck, one user simply commented, "But the glass." But this was the general feeling then. Things have changed a little bit by now, as it grew on all of us. Those in China who love the design of the Cybertruck can pre-order the truck with a deposit of 1,000 yuan, which is about $142, on Tesla's Chinese website, which accepts Alipay and WeChat Pay. But selling pickup trucks in China is tricky business, or at least it was before. Some consumers shy away from them because China has placed restrictions on the vehicle in the past. Before 2018, all pickup trucks, which are classified as cargo trucks in China, were required to have reflective safety labels on the trunk, and information about the weight and height had to be spray painted on the outside. One of the most popular Cybertruck memes circulating in China internet shows some people worry the vehicle could lose its cyberpunk aesthetic in the country. While this kind of labeling is no longer required in China these days, Many cities still restrict pickup trucks in urban areas. In Beijing, for example, pickup trucks are not allowed within the 5th ring road. The city has multiple circular roads surrounding the city center from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. But the popularity of pickup trucks has been rising as some cities ease their restrictions on the vehicle. Last year, when auto sales in China declined for the first time in 2 decades, sales of pickup trucks increased 10%. This is a lot. So let me know, friends, what do you think Tesla is building? How do you think Tesla is expanding, and for what purpose Tesla is expanding the Giga Shanghai facility? In the meantime, this is Armin Harayan from TorqueNews.com. Have a wonderful day. Please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and I'll see you in our next report. God bless you. And if you have interesting Tesla stories that you write and would like to submit to Torque News and to our channel, please email me. You can find my contact information in the about page of our YouTube channel. I will publish them at Torque News if all good, and will also possibly report them here. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in our next report.